How to fix Roblox Too Many Attempts, please wait a bit problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further, let's get into the video. So first thing you have to make sure is you have entered your correct password and you know your correct login credentials. But if you have already tried so many times, you will have to wait a bit. And if the problem still does not go away, what you can do is go to your settings, then go to apps, then find Roblox, tap on it, then on its storage section simply tap on clear cache, then go back again and see if you have the latest version of Roblox or not. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then search for Roblox. Simply tap on update button if you do not have the updated version and you will be done. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.